Hello everyone, welcome to this new video, and in this video I'm going to talk about the secret of English fluency. If you really want to enhance your English fluency, or if you really want to speak in English, then watch the video till the end, because in this video I'm going to tell you some important tips that if you will execute in your daily life routine, it will really help you to improve your English, or it will really help you to speak in fluent English. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Start believing on yourself. Yeah, you should start believing on yourself, because you can do everything whatever another can do. You are also a human being. You have also two eyes, you have also two ears, you have also one nose, you have also two hands, you have also two legs, and you have also a very brilliant mind. So you can do everything whatever another can do. So don't think that you can't do. Start thinking that you can do everything. Start believing on yourself. Why I am saying this? Because you are not believing on yourself. You are always thinking, what will happen when I will not complete my conversation? What will happen when I will stuck somewhere? Then what will happen? If you are stuck somewhere, then you can complete your sentence in Hindi, because you are also a beginner. You are a learner. You are learning something new. Then it's natural for you. It's very natural. So you can do this. There is nothing to be ashamed about it. So start believing on yourself, because whenever you are thinking that you can do this, then negative thoughts about English ability will start to fade away. It is very important when you are learning something new. It is very important when you are going along your journey that you should believe on yourself. When you believe on yourself that I can do it, you can. It's like magic. Belief will help you more confidence, enhance your more confidence that you can speak in front of another one. When you encounter a fluent English speaker, all of a sudden you freeze up. You get nervous because you are not believing on yourself that you can do it. They are also a human being. They are not animal. They will not eat you if you will not complete your sentences. Even you can say them that I am a learner and I want to be a fluent speaker like you. Then he will become very happy, and she will also wants to help you for your speaking. So be comfortable. Don't think negative things about yourself, because you have a guts. You have lots of guts, and you can do everything whatever another can do. Okay? So start believing first of all on yourself. Don't think negative things. You can do it, you must can do it, and you will definitely can do this. Number 2, start watching very easy video contents. If you are a beginner and you are not feeling comfortable while watching news, while watching movies in English, then you can choose any easy video contents like cartoons, because cartoons are made for children's understand. Their language are very simple, super simple. You can understand easily that language. So start watching cartoons like Motu Patlu, Chota Bheem, that types of contents you can watch, and you will understand very easily that language. So start watching very simple, very easy video contents. Start reading very simple and very easy books like you are a child. You can read class 1 book of English and also EVS of English medium, because there are many stories in English, and there are many contents, and there are many vocabulary also you can learn from there. I'm not joking. I am saying because I used to do it too. So you should start reading class 1 book. After that, you can increase your level, class 2 books, class 3 books, class 4 books, and slowly you can increase your level. There is nothing to be ashamed about it. You think that you are a child and you have to start from beginning. And believe me, it will really very helpful for yourself. It will really very helpful for your speaking. There are very simple language for understand anybody, and you will understand like you can teach another one. You think that you are a child because you are also a beginner, and child are also a beginner. Just like child are starting their studying journey, you can also start your journey in English. Like when child are growing up and they gets learn more things slowly, you can also learn very slowly and easily way. You can learn many things by this way. So that's why I am telling you that you should learn, you should read very simple and easy books. You can start from class 1 books. Why I am saying this? Because I was also used to do this. So start reading very simple books. Practice in front of the mirror. It is very important things. Practice in front of the mirror will change your English. Practice in front of the mirror will less your nervousness when you will speak in front of the others. It will enhance your confidence level. When you are speaking in front of the mirror, you can see yourself, how you are representing yourself, how you are speaking, how you are expressing, everything you can see, and you can improve your speaking. So start speaking in front of the mirror. It will very helpful for yourself. It will less your nervousness, it will increase your confidence, and it will improve your fluency. So start speaking in front of the mirror. Number 5, you have to talk about a topic for 1 minute. You can choose any topics. You have to give a speech without preparation. You can choose any topic. You can choose general topic like sports, movies, and you can also take a questions like what color do you like, that type of question. And when you have a topic, you start speaking. Even if you say nonsense, if you are speaking nonsense, or if you are not saying anything related to your topic, it's okay, but you have to speak at least for 1 minute. You can't stop. This is rule. Okay. And also you cannot repeat any line again, you cannot repeat any idea again, and you cannot write anything before speaking. You cannot write note. Without preparation, without note, and without repetition, you have to speak for 1 minute. It doesn't matter it's nonsense, it doesn't matter you are speaking wrong, it doesn't matter you are not speaking related to topic, but you have to speak anyhow 1 minute, for 1 minute. Then it will really helpful for your speaking. Number 6, at the end of the day, ask many questions to yourself and try to answer them, like how was your day? What did you do today? Where did you go? Why did you go there? Like that types of questions, and try to answer every questions, because by the doing this type of things, it will help you to enhance your English. It's not difficult, it's not challenging, right? You can do it. You have to do it, because if you want to learn English, you have to do it. So if you really want to speak fluent in English, and if you really want to speak in English, then start following these all steps. It will really helpful for yourself, for your speaking. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.